My name is Purnima Sharamani. I am from DAV school. I am from SPRW Pondicherry community. My project is Buckler Alarm. My working is if someone came inside, IR sensor will detect and it will buzz. I use power supply board, buzzer and IR sensor. Thank you.